Hello and welcome to the PhoneBurner training. This is the Don't Be Complicated training series and I'm your host, Jeff Osnes. If you want to reach out to me, send me an email, jeff@phoneburner.com. I'll be happy to help out any way I can. And today's topic, we're going to talk about the SmartSender and link tracking. Okay, so from within your PhoneBurner account, we're going to click on SmartSender. From the SmartSender, you can add a new resource or you can create a pack from existing resources you've already added. In this example, we're going to add a link as a new resource. We're going to insert it into an email and show you how that tracking works. So I'm going to click on Add Resource. From the Add Resource page in step 1, I'm going to click on Link. And here I'm going to add the link that I want to track. Once I've added the link, I'm going to go down and add a title and a description. And then finally, I'm going to add a category and save. Now that I've added the resource, I'm going to see it among all my other resources and packs. From here, I can preview it. That way I can make sure all of my links are working the way I want them to work. Now that I've previewed it and I know it works, I'm going to go to Contacts. In the upper right-hand corner, I'm going to click on the little gear wheel, and I'm going to go down to Emails and Phone Scripts. And I'm going to create a new one-touch email. So I'm going to click on Add New One-Touch Email. I'm going to call this one Link to Site. And the subject line is going to be, here's the link. Then I go down to your message, and I'm going to start typing out my message. I'm going to use the personalization codes to insert the contact's first name. And I'm going to type out, here is the link I told you about. Now to add a SmartSender resource or pack, I click on the little SmartSender option here. And in this particular case, I'm going to select the Best Dialer Ever resource and click Add. And now I've got the link in the email. Now I just need to close out my email. And if you want to do single spacing, just hold down Control and hit Enter. Now that I've got my email created, I hit Save Changes. Okay, so at this point, we've created a new resource. We've created a new email and added the resource to the email. Now let's go ahead and send the email so I can show you how the tracking works. So I'm going to go back to Contacts. In this particular case, I've loaded a test contact, and I'm just going to send the email from the contact details rather than going into a dial session and going through that whole process. Just want to show you real quickly how to send an email and how the tracking works. So I'm going to click on Send Email. From the pre-written emails, I'm going to select my link to site email. That will pre-populate the subject and the body. At this point, I could continue editing the email and further personalizing it if I like. But if I'm happy with how it is, I can just send it as is. So I'm going to go ahead and send the email. And the email's been sent. So if I go into the activities, I can see that the email was sent today. Now if I do a quick send and receive on Outlook, we should have the email. Okay, so I received the email, and I can click on the little link, Best Dialer Ever. And that's going to take us to the pickup page. At this point, as a contact, I see the title, the description, and I can click to open the link. That takes me to the website where I can set up a free trial. Okay, so now that we've seen what the contact sees, now let's see how the tracking works. In the contact details, if I refresh this and load the activity tab again, we'll see the email was sent, the email was opened, the Smart Pack was viewed, and the link was clicked. In addition to the activity and the contact details, the system is also going to send me a notification letting me know that my contact has picked up this link. And that's how easy it is to use the SmartSender for your link tracking, so you can track who's doing what and focus your time and energy on those prospects that are really engaging with your emails and the content that you're sending. Once again, if you don't have a PhoneBurner account, you need to get one today. We have an unlimited account for $149 a month, and for $67.50 you get 7.5 hours a month. If you're looking for multi-seats, we do offer discounts based off the total number of seats you need, and those discounts can go all the way up to a 50% off when you have 50 or more seats. So if you're looking for a multi-seat account, just let me know and I'll help you out with the pricing and getting that set up. If you don't have a PhoneBurner account, you need to get one today. Start your trial, check it out, take a look, see how it works. You can do that by going to phoneburner.biz, and happy dialing.